Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply fix slow download speed in GOG Galaxy. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is on the search bar, simply go ahead and search for GOG Galaxy right over here. Right click on it and click on open file location. Go ahead and right click and open file location one more time until you have the Galaxy client right over here. Simply click on properties and on security, simply go ahead and click on edit and click on allow full control on all restricted application packages right over here. Make sure everything has full control and click on apply, click on OK. And once you've done that, click on compatibility. Make sure you check mark this, run this program as administrator, click on apply and click on OK. Now, after doing that, it should go ahead and make your download speed faster. However, if it is still not fast, what you want to do is go to network and internet settings, go to Ethernet, so right over here, and go to DNS server assignment and make sure that your DNS is on manual, turn IPv4 on and make sure that your preferred is 8.8.8.8 and alternate is 8.8.4.4. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.